Hi everyone! Thought I'd share my 100-day project caddy with you. I love that everything is in one place and that I'm able to change the contents as needed, and I even enjoy just having it out for inspiration. Of course, all my other supplies are also at the ready, but this one in particular makes me happy. Before we get to the tags, it's pretty obvious that I'm still enjoying using vintage quilt tops. I went ahead and took some apart, thinking that I just put random scraps together, but I went ahead and color blocked them again for this grouping, and I love how they turned out. Now for some close-ups without commentary, because they speak for themselves. I can't wait to see what Claudette is up to this week. All right, take care everyone. This is short and sweet. I'll see you next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.